Hello everyone, it's Press Concept here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this birthday flyer design using your smartphone on Pixellab. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through from both the creation to the final touches. Alright, without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Welcome back to my channel everyone. So in this video I'll be showing you how to create this birthday flyer design. So I will be doing this tutorial from the designing from the Pixellab to the final retouching. Alright, so without any further ado, the first thing to do now is to create a new canvas. Alright, create a new project. So let's proceed. Now alright, so let's import this shape. We've imported this shape already. So I'll be sharing the resources to this the resources I used in this design in the description of this video. You can click the link there, you find the resources to this flyer. Right, so we imported this shape. You can download this shape on Pinterest or you can create a custom one. So in my next video I'll be showing you how to create this kind of shape, this custom shape. Right, so let's proceed. Now let's align this, let's place this very well. Go to shape, then align, then you lock it. Now you import your pictures. Very simple. Let me unlock this. You import your pictures, right? This, you import the picture, and also this one, then you lock them. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to create this kind of text. First of all, let me show you the text. Yeah, I'm going to show you how to create this kind of well, let me increase the size so you can see it very well. Let me move it to the front, decrease it a little bit. Alright, as you can see, this text is aligned this way. So let me show you how to create this kind of text. First of all, I will have to duplicate this. Alright, and copy. Let me copy this text so we won't waste any time. Alright, yeah, let me move this to the back, but I'm still going to show you how to create that kind of text. Alright, so import a new text, then you can impute the text. It can be long or short, but to achieve this effect we have to make the text long. So I have to paste the text that I just copied, then click on done, click OK. So this is the text I just copied. So let's reduce the size, the text size, to be very tiny so we can achieve that effect. Right, so this is what we have now. Now just follow me. Go to alignment. Right, go to alignment. You can either use this right alignment or the left one to achieve this, not the middle one. Then you click on justify, enable justify. Right, so we now have this kind of thing. Right, so it will now give spacings when you click justify. So that's how you can create this text. So let's proceed. Now after you've done that, you can duplicate this text just the way we did it on this flyer. So I'm just trying to replicate exactly what I did here. Alright, you see the same text here again. Now let's import the shapes that we used. We use this shape. Like I said, I'll be sharing these resources on the description of this video. Import this shape. then you do the same here, just the way you want. Alright, then you lock them to avoid movement. Then import your happy birthday text at the top. Very simple, wishing you a happy birthday. Right, now let's import the shape where we place the name. Now let's create that from scratch here so you see how it's done. Import the shape. Alright, so import the shape, and we'll be using the relative perspective tool to do this. Now just watch closely. Let me adjust this so you can see it very well. Alright, so watch closely what I'm gonna do. Enable this perspective and drag this to this place to achieve that effect, that shape effect we used. Right, then we have this. Then go to color, enable your color, and reduce. Right, then we go to shadow, enable your shadow, reduce the blur radius, increase the offset X to 9, and do the same for Y. Right, then check. So let's reduce this. As you can see, we have something like this. Then you can now place the colors very well. So I'm going to use the one I did previously. Right, so this is the one I did previously. Now import other text that is remaining. Let's import other text, the birthday, dates, and the names. Right, I think that's all for this. Now we are going to be moving over to the editing. As you can see, this design is not yet sharp. The quality is not yet sharp the way we want it, so we have to retouch this. So we are going to be using two major softwares to do this. We are going to be using, first of all, we are going to be using Snapseed to enhance the quality. Then we move over to Lightroom application. Alright, so you can get this application in Google Play Store, and the link will also be dropped on the description of this video. Now let's move over to the editing part. Alright guys, so once you open your Lightroom, then you import your design. Here we imported our design. You can click this open to import, or click the plus icon on the background of this app to import your design. Alright, so now let's go to the pen tool. Click on the pen tool. Remember, the thing we want to achieve here is to enhance our quality, design quality. Alright, so click on the details to enhance the quality. Now as you can see, if you move forward and backwards, you will see this movement. This movement is currently in structure. And if you move upwards, you will see another tool you can use, which is now placed in the sharpening tool. Now first of all, let's use increase our structure. Let's work on the design structure. Increase this so you'll be seeing the effect. Right down, drag it. As you can see, the quality is now, and the details are now popping out. The details on the image or the overall design is now popping out. If you decrease this, you will see the details are not there, but if you increase, you will see the details showing. Right now, I think we will leave it at 50. Now let's go to sharpening. Drag it up, then also increase the sharpening. Alright, it's now sharpening the details. Then you click on check mark. Alright, this is the only thing you are going to be doing here, just increasing this too. Alright, so now let's move over to our Lightroom application. Alright guys, so this is the Lightroom application, and this is the interface. So one thing I missed here is, I purposely missed it so you can go watch the video. It's just a simple thing to achieve, is how to add lens flare on your design. Alright, to make it pop. So the link to the video will be on the description of this video, and or the card will be popping up right over this video on the top right of this video. Alright, so go watch the video and learn how to add lens flare to your designs. Alright, so let's proceed. Now this is the Lightroom interface. Now we'll be using the edit tool. Alright, click on the edit tool to proceed. Now first of all, we'll be going to details. As you can see, it's in details already. Now we'll be increasing our sharpening. Alright, we'll be increasing our sharpening a little bit. Let's see the effect. As you can see, the effect on the sharpening. Once that is done, then you go to effect, close details, and go to effect. Now go to effect, increase your texture to plus 30 or 34. Alright, increase your texture. Okay, I think this is good. As you can see, the details are popping out very well. It's giving us this sharp look. Now let's increase our clarity a little bit, just slightly to 10 or 11. Alright, 10 is okay, as you can see. Alright, now go to grain. Go to grain and increase the amount of grain to 19 or more. Right, just to suit the design. As you can see, this grainy effect. You can see the grainy effect around this design. Right, you can see the grainy effect. Now the next thing to do is to go to color. Close this and go to color. We won't be touching any of this. Just go straight to color mix. Right over here. Let's reset this. As you can see, these colors here. Right, so we'll be touching only the orange. Now we'll reduce the hue, the orange hue, reduce it. Then it will give us this reddish look on the image, and that is it. Then the next thing to do is to go to light over here. Touch the exposure a little bit, increase it a little bit, just a little. Right, that'll be okay. Then go to white, decrease the white and increase the blacks. As you can see, it's giving us this sharp look. Right, it's giving us this sharp look, and that will be how you can edit your designs. Alright, so I've walked you through from the designing this flyer to the final retouching, and like I said, just a quick reminder, you can go click the link on my description to watch how to add lens flare to your designs, or it will be popping up at the top right hand of this video. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and if you have any question, you can drop them on the comments. See you on the next video. Peace out.